What's up guys, Mustafa here, and today in this video I have the new Vivo Y17, the unboxing in it. So let's get started. Well, if you just turn around and walk through the box, you get the key features over here that is of Vivo has specified of AI triple camera, 5000 mAh battery, 20 megapixel front camera and dual engine fast charging, which is 100 minutes in 100%. So well, this made in India I got from the nearest store, and the variant which I am having is 4GB and 120GB, and there is only one variant available from the Vivo. So it's time to unbox it. Let's unbox it. You firstly get this thing which Vivo gives you a back cover, transparent one, and you get a quick start guide which technically no one reads it, neither do we. And then we have the almighty Y17 with us, which is the one which I have is of mineral blue, which looks quite stunning, and I hope you guys can have a look. This thing really looks stunning. And then I think now let's move in the further box contents. We get an 18 volts fast charging from Vivo in the box itself, and then we have a mic, a type C cable from the box, and then as usual the original Vivo headphones which we get in the box itself. So I think we have done unboxing it. It's time to open the phone. I'll get it back after setting it up. It's time to see how it looks. Now the fingerprint as the rear. Okay, so as soon as you hold your phone, first thing what you might notice is a water drop notch, which gives a big 6.5 inches display with 95% body to the thin ratio. And apart from that, if you just turn your phone around, and you might see you have AI triple camera. But before that, let's check how the build quality is. You get Gorilla Glass V4 at the rear, and at the front you get Gorilla Glass V5, which kind of keeps your phone protective and safe when you fall. But the body, the edges what you have over here is of steel. It might get scratched, and your phone might look kind of dirty. So for that, Vivo has given you a back cover in the box itself to keep it on. So if you just look at the front, you might see the camera, which is of 20 megapixel, and at the rear you get AI triple camera, which is the primary camera is of 30 megapixel, the ultra wide camera is of 5 megapixel, and the bokeh mode is of 2 megapixel depth sensor. And you also get the flash AI triple camera badging, and you also get a fingerprint at the rear. Well, the fingerprint sensor is just quite fast. As soon as you keep your hand, yeah, the phone gets unlocked at a very quick speed. So let's take the camera. Well, the camera is very nice. There is no doubt in that you're having a triple camera, and just I think you can see the details what you have on offer by the Vivo, and there is no doubt in camera. Now so let's take the camera features. You have the document mode, pro mode, panorama mode, beauty, photo, video, fun video, and many more things. Well, that's the Vivo camera and music. Another best part of the phone is it has a 5000 mAh battery, which does not allows you to, like your phone gets off and then you feel like, oh my god, I could have carried power bank. Now the problem is solved. Now you don't need to carry a power bank anymore, because your phone is only a power bank. It can, now if you just start an OTG, I'll just show you over here. You go to settings, and then you see OTG over here. All you need to do is plug in an OTG cable, and you can charge from your phone to another phone, or you can take the charging from another phone to your phone. It's like, you're sharing the power. And you have a 5000 mAh battery, which gives you 100% charging in 100 minutes. That kind of, like, it's of 1 hour 40 minutes. I think that's kind of the race now, because the battery over here is a 5000 mAh. Another thing what you might notice is the phone feels kind of thick and slightly heavier than it is expected to be. The phone is of 190 grams, and the thickness is just too wide. After you dressed up by by giving it a cover. You might feel that phone is just too thin for your expectation, but then if you want a 5000 mAh battery, you need to bear that thing. Now another most best feature what this thing is having is the face unlock. You also get a face unlock quickly, which also like, see, you see that. Now okay, I'll just turn on the phone. As soon as I look, the face unlock, but there is a kind of small minor mistake. I have a small elder brother, and mm, I don't think my and his face is kind of similar, but then still it even catches a 2D picture. For that, for your safety, I prefer not to use the face unlock of the Vivo, not of this model, because it is not just accurate. Someone can take your 2D photo and scan it, and your phone might get unlocked and risking your personal things. And the variant which I have is a 4 GB RAM. I'll just quickly to the phone, about phone. So the variant which I am having is 4 GB RAM, and available space is 3 GB available space, and it is a 128 GB internal storage. You even have an SD card which is supportable up to 256 GB. I think no one needs that. You have a 120 GB internal storage, and apart from that, you're even going for a 256 GB. I think you better take a 1 TB storage. Well, let's go and check out the phone, the one which I'm having, as I told you earlier, at the 4 GB RAM. Now the Vivo runs on a traditional fun touch OS 9, which is of, basically it is of Android, and kind of acts like Android. No, the name is of Android, but it is, it's over here. It is of Pi. I think the icons what you get an offer is also of, and iOS, it's just a similar copy of iOS. You even get a control center, but Vivo has tried to give it its own look. Even Vivo claims that it has copied somewhat from the iOS, and the theme which it has. Now, well, right now it's running on Android Pie. The processor is 2.3 gigahertz octa-core processor. You even have the CPU data real time, what kind of CPU you're using in the phone, and it is core 1, core 3. And another best part of this thing is that you get the use time, like 36. It's kind of, as soon as you turn on your phone or turn off, you can see the phone is, how much your phone is getting used, and it gives a battery status, and apart from everything is fine. So now it's time to check the music. So right now I have the NCS faded release. Yeah, well, the audio quality is just mind-blowing. As you all know, the Vivo itself says it is for camera and music. And this video, thank you guys for watching this video. In another video, I'm going to be showing you all the tricks.